Hey guys, karibu kuri my channel. Welcome to my channel Naren Vibes. Noneho nimbwe unzi from TikTok. Welcome kuri no family. Nimbuta nazi. Please like, share and subscribe. I want to be serious. Shakuba serious kuri YouTube channel. Let's comment down below. Comment where you're watching the video from. I'm gonna try to be very serious. Every once a week reka nangire na rimwe mu cyumweru yengerageza kureba. I'm gonna do live kuri TikTok noneho turebe niba nzavana abantu bakaza hano. I'm planning kugabanya, so nimba kuna posting ama video kuri hariya ngiye kuzajya nkora short, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, noneho full video ibe iri hano kugira ngo tugire abantu benshi hano. Comment down below what you guys think. So nibwo nyibyuka ngiye gukara mu maso tugiye no gutekana ona munsi. Yeah! So washing my face, I've been using sabuni no guhera nayiguze muri Winners. So nimba ukunda ibintu bya skin care, fashion, big sis advice, I love that. I talk ku bintu byinshi, so I'm gonna change my channel even more focus hano. Noneho hariya handi izagiba ari summary, maybe once in a while ndi kujya live doza mu kanwa hamwe na korogati. So I use paper towel cyangwa anything that is clean for your face. Umejeje gukaraba n'igisabuni mitanyamo na toner igarura hydration. One thing that I'm working on, I've seen a lot of changes on my skin. So what have I done? I've made sure nahindura even all the time. So I focus on one thing at a time. Kera nahabaga nahinduye nisiziki. So after toner, go in with niacinamide 15%. Mazigenda ndakoresha. Go in with the hyaluronic acid. Neomuri, the ordinary, I've used this for almost 3 years now. So you can choose you need to be consistent. You always something like when you are not consistent, your body will be confused. For the moisturizer, the money siga moisturizer, you need toner yayo, you need moisturizer yayo. Because Winners, if you stay in Canada, make sure you know your skin type. Is my skin type dry? Is my skin type oily? Is my skin type normal? So make sure you are feeding or you are curing fitted. So my skin is dry and this moisturizer is so good. So kubera hacheye ye gushiraho sunscreen is so important. Make sure you add sunscreen in your routine. Lip balm nkoresha ya Vaseline is so good yo nahantu ngiye. So nimba rugambere mbonye, I have a business ngurisha ama skin care, body butter, body oil, ariko I only ship muri Canada hamwe na US if you stay in those places. Ngiye kuba nshizeho aga parfait duhumure as we are within the house. I love parfait nago iri tugiye guteka twirukanka. Mfite isaha imwe gusa ni mu gikoni ngiye guteka. Nanashizeho beef, tugiye guteka na chicken. I cook food for the whole week once in a week. Noneho today is the only day that I'm available. Comment down below wowe uteka gute inkoko zawe. Ngenda biteka neka ibiryo byinshi by'icyumweru. I love cooking munda guteka, but I don't want to be in the kitchen all the time. So izi nizo ngiye guteka for the whole week. This weekend share as abafite anniversary. Let me know in the comment below nimba mushaka kubona full video ya birthday ya Sheri na preparation kubera nimo ndapanga kugira iki kuza preparinga kuza hosting abantu. Let me know in the comment below nimba mushaka kubona iyo video. Nanone nk'umuntu uri mu rugendo rwo losing a weight, is so good to do meal prep. So iyo natetse ku biryo by'icyumweru bimfasha kutasaza, bimfasha kudahora mu gikoni ndimo nda creating something new. Bene ibyo ngibyo bituma umuntu arya byinshi, ariko iyo natetse like once in a week bima idea yo kumenya what I'm gonna eat that week. Mbanzamo paprika, ngiye kuba mbireka bibe birimo birasha. Noneho hari inanasi nahawe, ifite abashitsi bazaza next week, ni nyinshi ngiye kuzikata kugira ngo nshobore kuzishira muri freezer nzazikoreshe next week. Asi ane ntabwo nyabitse yose gutya yazageza next week yapfuye, rero ngiye kuyakata kugira ngo nyabike. Tanye mfite ibiro 92 maze kugira 83, so ndi hafi kugeraho. I'm hoping ko ntabwo ndi gushaka kunanuka cyane, ariko ndifuza ko maybe nka next year nazageza nka 75. Shaka kuba hagati ya 70 na 76. Ntabwo nshaka kunanuka cyane, ntabwo nshaka kuba hejuru ya 85. Zageze ejo zapfuye. Iki ni ibirungo nkora, nkakora inyanya za poivron z'umutuku, z'umweru, inyanya n'ibitunguru byose nkavanga. So nibyo nkoresha gukora isosi. I think nzabikorera nka video maybe nka next week. So mmejeje guteka, natetse isosi inkoko, isosi ya beef stew. Noneho mfiteho umuceri muke, ngiye gushiraho umuceri nongere nanashireho amakaroni. Rumba wundi munsi tuzajya turya amakaroni, wundi munsi turya umuceri. Rimwe amasaha mfite umwanya ngewe kubera ndi mu rugendo rwo kunanuka, ndotsa ibijumba cyangwa ibirayi. Ibindi bisigaye iyo natetse ibiryo nkuko ndapakinga mu makontena atandukanye basi. Amakaroni uyateka iminota 7 abahiye. Ubwo ngubwo muri uwo mwanya ndaba ndimo ndakora amasuku. Aha ngiye gushiraho umuceri, ngiye kwambara nirukanka. Iki ni icyumba cyanjye. I'm gonna make sure ndimo ndashaka kukigerageza kugishira hamwe. Nimutse mu kwa mbere gushira things together ntabwo biba byoroshye. So this is my pyjama. So pyjama nayiguze muri Temu. If you are interested in buying this pyjama, noneho kubera nabwiye ko ngiye out with my friend, ndambara ino pantaro nayiguze muri Zara. Rukureba ino pantaro ukuntu isa neza. So agatopu nako muri Shein gakunda cyane, naguze bungahe, mfite n'ubundi muri Kat. Amvu nkunda ino top nuko ngewe nkunda kwambara ibintu amapantaro ya high waist. So iyo nshizeho aka gatop, I don't need gutobeza. Nara inkweto za yellow, amaherena ya jaune nayo. Parfait bwisige uno munsi ndisiga kayali. So akabag I'm thinking yo kugendana akabag, impamvu akabag ndagakunda, so beautiful. Yatuma ikara imanuka hasi iba neutral ho gato. So reka ngiye gupakinga ibiryo noneho duhite tugenda. Inkweto sinzi niba muri kuzibona, inkweto n'akabag n'amaka. Uziko nabuguze muri Shein abasheri, like mbumaranye 1 year plus. Reba ukuntu kameze, umwaka urarenga. Tujye mu gikoni, ibiryo byahiye, ngiye kubipakinga. Abasheri ndagarutse, nayo mvuye gutembera n'umushiti wanjye, nababwiye ntabwo twagiye muri restaurant, ndashonje, twamwe tuzenguruka gusa around. Iyo natetse nk'uburyo bwinshi mbishira ubusanzwe tugiye pakinga, nkagenda mbishira mu makontena make make kugira ngo buri wese azaterura, ariko ntabwo mfite umwanya kubera hari ahandi hantu ngiye kujya. Iyi ni isosi y'inyama, reba ukuntu isa neza, so beautiful. Bimfasha kuruhuka, bimfasha kuba nakora ibindi bintu, kuba nakora amavideo nkaya, kuba nakora editinga. Reba ibiryo ukuntu bisa neza. So this is spaghetti na beef, so good. Reba ukuntu bisa neza. So abasheri n'abashu nkunda cyane, abasheri nkunda cyane, naho video y'ubutaha ya vlog, nimba mukunda vlog.